Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb pass out and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning 1 of the phrasal verb pass out is to suddenly become unconscious, usually caused by being too hot or being completely in shock over something. This is their first holiday in a warm country. The sunny climate really affects him. He's after passing out. While he is in the hospital to see his wife, he doesn't have a great experience. The mere sight of blood made him pass out. Meaning 2 of pass out is to distribute something to people. During the presentation, a member of staff left paper on the chairs. I've passed out some note-taking paper for anyone who'd like to jot anything down. The whole hall fell silent. You can hear a pin drop as the examination papers are being passed out. So let's look back on what we covered. Pass out can mean to suddenly become unconscious, usually caused by being too hot or being completely in shock over something. Suddenly, his knees went weak and he passed out. To distribute something to people. Tokens were being passed out for free entry to the event. Where did you hear the phrasal verb pass out? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.